My name is Alec Lowi. I'm an AI training specialist with Personal AI, and I'm going to show you how to use our Google Drive memory integration feature. So the first thing you're going to do is come down to the integrations page, which will take you here, and sign into your Google account. Once you've signed into your Google account, click on the three dots here and click Manage. Once it takes you to this page, you can select the files directly from the Google Drive that already exists there. Here I'm going to select a folder that has multiple documents in it. Once it says that your files have been added, I can navigate my way back to the web app. And once I'm back here, I can see that when I go to my memory stack under Documents, that the documents that were included in those folders were added to my AI. And here, I can choose which persona I want to add them to. Given that these are legal documents, I'm going to add them to my lawyer persona. And I can also see that the documents have been added through the messaging feature. So this feature is extremely useful for people who use their Google Drive to upload all of their documents, so they don't have to upload folders and documents one by one directly to the memory stack.